Okay, R.H. Whittaker classified the living organisms into 5 kingdoms. Who is that scientist? It's 1969. The year of 1969. The scientist's name is R.H. Whittaker. R.H. Whittaker classified. What is the meaning of classified? Grouping the living organism into 5 kingdoms. Okay, 5 kingdom classification. He classified into 5 kingdoms. Why he classified into 5 kingdoms living organisms? All living organisms, maybe plants, animals, microorganisms, even all living organisms he classified into 5 kingdoms. Okay, why he classified into 5 kingdoms? Based on cell structure. Okay, basis on cell structure. That means how cell is made. What type of cell organelles is there inside? Based on cell structure, thallus. Thallus means what? Body is made up of what? Only fiber-like structure or multicellular complexity. Okay. And mode of nutrition, autotrophic nutrition or heterotrophic nutrition. Mode of saprophytic or other type of parasitic. Okay, mode of nutrition. Okay, which type, how they are taking feeding. Okay, nutrition. How nutrition is occurs in this organism. Reproduction, asexual or sexual mode of reproduction. Phylogenetic relationship. Evolutionary relationship. Any relationship is there between the organism. Based on these characteristics, R.H. Whittaker classified the living organism into 5 kingdoms. What are the crises? Especially basis, with the basis of cell structure, thallus organization, mode of nutrition, reproduction, phylogenetic relationship, evolutionary relationship. Okay, based on these, he means what? R.H. Whittaker classified into 5 kingdoms. What are they? One is Monera. What are Moneras? Moneras are primitive organisms, starting organisms, oldest organisms. Protista. Second kingdom is Protista. Third one is Fungi. Fourth one is Plantae. Fifth one is Animalia. So that as per R.H. Whittaker, he classified into all living organisms, he classified into 5 kingdoms. In that one is Monera. Okay, in that Monera, all bacteria are including in Monera. All bacteria. Protista. In that, for some are algae and protozoan included. And fungi. In all saprophytes, all fungus, fungi. All type of what? Fungi or fungus. Saprophytic organism. Plants. All types of plants. Animal. All types of animals. He included in Animalia as per Animalia. Okay. As per R.H. Whittaker, the living organisms are classified into 5 kingdoms: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. Now we are going to discuss about Monera. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the first kingdom, that is what, as per R.H. Whittaker, the first kingdom is Monera. R.H. Whittaker classified into living organism into 5 kingdoms. The first kingdom is Monera. In that Monera, what is Monera? Moneras are what? Primitive organisms. What is the meaning of primitive? Primitive means oldest organisms. In this Monera, all are what? Unicellular organisms. Very important point about the Monera is what? About these are prokaryotic organisms. What is prokaryotic organism? Generally, the nucleus, for example, this is a nucleus. This is genetic material, whatever is there inside the nucleus, genetic material. The nucleus is generally it is covered with what? Nucleo envelope or nucleo membrane. But here this nucleo membrane is absent. Only it will be consist, these prokaryotic consist only genetic material or DNA. Okay, nucleo envelope or nucleo membrane is absent. So that these are the DNA is naked DNA. Naked means what? It is not covered with any type of nuclear membrane. So that these organisms we can call prokaryotic organisms. Very, very important. Prokaryotic organisms. The moneras are most, first point is most primitive organisms. Most primitive organism. What is the meaning of primitive organism? Primitive organisms means what? Okay, these are the oldest organisms. Oldest organisms, most primitive organisms, starting organisms. These are what? Especially for prokaryotic organisms. Prokaryotic. Karyotic means, what is the meaning of prokaryotic? Prokaryotic means naked DNA. The DNA or genetic material is not covered with any nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is absent. That organisms we can call prokaryotic organisms. Where we can find these type of what? Especially all bacteria are belongs to Monera. First of all bacteria. Okay, in bacteria, especially for all bacteria, whatever bacteria is there, in that bacteria also two types of bacteria is there. Archaeobacteria. Okay, all bacteria are belongs to Monera kingdom. All bacteria are belongs to Monera kingdom. In bacteria are two types. Some are archaeobacteria, some are eubacteria. Eu means real bacteria. Archaeobacteria. What is the meaning of archaeo? Archaeo means what? Oldest. Okay, ancient bacteria, oldest bacteria, primitive bacteria, starting bacteria. Okay, oldest bacteria, ancient bacteria. Okay, in ancient bacteria, these are the ancient oldest bacteria. Eubacteria, which is eubacteria? Real bacteria. These are called real or nothing but true bacteria. What we call other name? True bacteria, which are eubacteria. Example, Rhizobium. Archaeobacteria example is, okay, Archaeobacteria example is eubacteria or cyanobacteria. Examples are what? Archaeo means what? Oldest bacteria. These bacteria are living in very different kinds of what? Environmental situations. Even hot situations also it is living. Even martial, that means what? Saline water. In bacteria are living everywhere, and also it is living in all types of environmental conditions. That is also, so that where does we found what? Bacteria? Everywhere. Bacteria we are found in everywhere, and especially for hot conditions. Okay, very cool conditions, and also what? Martial, saline, salty. We are observing everywhere these type of organisms. What? Moneras. What is Monera means? Monera is a primitive organism, starting organism, unicellular. Okay, if you observe more characteristics of Monera, these Moneras are what? Unicellular organisms. What is the meaning of unicellular organism? The body made up of only single cell, like protozoans. Okay, these are also unicellular organisms, not multicellular organisms. Moneras are unicellular organisms. The body made up of single cell. Body made up of single cell. Body made up of single cell. Okay, the DNA is naked DNA. Already we learned. What is the meaning of DNA? Here, whatever genetic material is there in this Monera, it is not covered with what? Nucleomembrane or nucleomembrane. Nucleoenvelope is absent, so that we can call naked DNA, or otherwise we can call prokaryotic organisms. Very, very important. Okay, and nuclear, okay, it is not bound by a nuclear membrane. Okay, and its lock of organelles. What is the meaning of organelles? Which organelles its lock? Generally, in a cell, we are observed nucleus, endoplasm reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, okay, ribosomes, lysosomes. Okay, so many cell organelles. What is the meaning of cell organelles? Inside the cell, what different parts of the cell. Inside the cell, we are observed which are floating organelles. Okay, that in cytoplasm. What are they? Mitochondria, endoplasm reticulum, Golgi apparatus, ribosomes, liposomes, lysosomes. These are the, okay, centrosomes. We are observed so many types of cell organelles. But these cell organelles are absent. Okay, the lots of cell organelles like mitochondria, there is no mitochondria in that. There is no lysosome. Plastids are absent. What is plastids means? What? Chloroplast. Golgi bodies are absent. Centrosomes are absent. Endoplasmic reticulum. ER means endoplasmic reticulum are absent. What is present? Only ribosomes. 70S ribosomes are present in these organisms. Okay, only ribosomes, cytoplasm, and genetic material we are observed in these organisms like bacteria. Okay, these are found in hot springs. Already I have told, snow, deep oceans, and as a free living organisms, and mostly parasitic. What is the meaning of parasitic? Moneras are parasitic. Bacteria are parasitic. These are the organisms. Which type? First of all, we have to discuss which type of nutrition is occurs in these organisms. Nutrition. We are observed mostly bacteria are saprophytic organisms. Saprophytic organism. What is the meaning of saprophytic organism? Which organisms are growing? Dead and decaying places. What is the meaning of dead and decaying places? For example, these are decomposed organisms. What is the meaning of decomposed organism? These are degrade or decompose or decaying dead bodies. Bacteria are saprophytes. So that what is the use of bacteria? These are decomposed bodies, which are dead bodies. Indirectly, these are useful bacteria. Some of the bacteria are useful to us. Mostly, some of the bacteria are what? Useful. Some are harmful also is there. Okay, mostly some are parasite. What is the meaning of parasite? Which are living inside the body or outside the body. Okay, and here some are living as a decomposers. Decomposers means what? Parasites and decomposers. They decompose the bodies. They degrade the bodies, decaying the body. Parasites means what? They are living inside the body, host body. Okay, host body, it is harmful to the host body. Okay, so that is called parasite. That means these are living in everywhere, and some are living as a parasite, some are living as a decomposer, some are like cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria also an example of Monera. Cyanobacteria, it is photosynthetic bacteria. Cyanobacteria is a photosynthetic bacteria. In that, photosynthesis occurs. Okay, and next one, reproduce. How they reproduce their babies? How they reproduce? It is reproduced and forms new generations. Okay, asexual reproduction. Mostly in this organism, asexual, not sexual. Asexual reproduction is occurs. Sexual reproduction is also occurs, very less, but mostly asexual reproduction is occurs. Asexual reproduction, the process of asexual reproduction, binary fission or budding, and gamete formation also. Okay, we are observed in this organism. Mostly asexual reproduction by the process of binary fission one organism divided into two organisms, or buds, growing the buds, increase the size of the buds and separate from parent body, growing new individuals. Okay. Generally, already told what, especially Moniras are classified into archaeobacteria. Purana. Archaeo means what? Old, oldest bacteria, especially ancient bacteria. Eubacteria means what? Especially for archaeobacteria and eubacteria. Eubacteria is nothing but we can call especially for modern bacteria, true bacteria. And cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria is the photosynthetic bacteria. Okay, these are the characteristics of Monera. Okay, please take note.